Hi, I'm Jean Jenkins with Vacationland Realty, and I'm here today at 14 Pinkham Street in Lincoln. It's a short dead-end street just down the road from the hospital, restaurants, stores, and all other conveniences. This home has a newer metal roof, has a side door that goes into the living room there. It has a 2-car garage, vinyl siding, garage here. Has a workbench, this little pot-belly stove, and then there's just storage above. Looks like it does not have garage door openers, but you could probably do that, add them easily because the electricity is right there. Nice little yard. I've also go down to the basement first since I've got my boots on. Has a railing on the stairway. It's got oil, hot water baseboard heat. Got a washer and dryer down here. There's your oil tank. Circuit breaker panel. They need to get the cover back on. It's right there. And this was probably a vegetable room at one time. It's the kitchen. It's got Formica counters. It's a sink. It's got the pretty backsplash. It's got a stainless steel refrigerator and stove. And there was a dishwasher here at one time, so you could easily install another one. Dining area with a pretty light above. Naughty pine ceilings. You've got storage in here. This pellet stove does not stay. There used to be a fireplace behind here, and the previous owner had covered it over for some reason. It's got vinyl windows. Living room. And again, that's that door out to the side yard. This is the primary bedroom, which is quite large, right here on the main floor. They are going to get that fixed. They just need to sheetrock it. This closet is huge. bathroom, lots of built-ins. It's got a full bath. And upstairs you have an additional 3 bedrooms. Some more built-ins and a closet. The bedroom, there's an attic scuttle, and then there's lots of space under the eaves as well. On both sides. Get a closet, half closet here. And then the 4th bedroom. Lots more storage there and there. And another closet. Again, I'm Jean Jenkins with Vacationland Realty at 14 Pinkham Street in Lincoln. My phone number is 207-745-4522. Vacationland Realty at gmail.com. Vacationland Realty Maine.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or text me. If you'd like to see this home, let me know.